Hello guys, welcome back. My name is Salah and today's is the first video. This is a Python course. So this course, I'm gonna show you, or I'm gonna teach you Python 3. So we're gonna talk about the basics of the Python, the basic concepts like print, comments, and variables and data types. So I'm gonna make the all this is course easy for get understood. So this is the first, or this is the introduction. So let's get started. So what is Python? Python is high level programming language, so it's easy to get understood. And sometimes when you get understood, or if you can understand English, so you can realize that Python is more it's easy for get understood. So Python also high level programming language. So this is the history. Python is an open sourced language, and it is used in data science, machine learning, and data modeling, data analysis, and artificial intelligence, or AI, with extensive resources and libraries built for those purposes. So Python, also you can make games, with Python. So Python is very good and important. So why learn Python? Python is used in data mining, data science, AI, machine learning, web development, web frameworks, graphic design, application, gaming, network development. The list goes on. So Python uses in data science and machine learning. So this is the graph. You can see here Python. So in 20, pandas, and we have transflow and numpy and PySpark. So so let's see here in 2021 or 2020. So Python and programming is in general in such high diamond, because it's useful in just about every industry. Python is used by companies in healthcare, financial services, marketing, education, and many more. So you can see here Python, or visit to Python in the by industry. So you can see here how it is important. So what is types of companies use Python? Google also loves Python programming for its solutions. Python has been an important part of Google since the beginning, and remains so as the system grows and evolves today. Of Google engineers uses Python, and we are looking for more people with skills in this language. So here, that just joke. Do you have chance to work at Google? So what types of also companies use Python? So according to Edita Labs, 67% of the companies that use Python are small, 12 million dollar in revenue. 9% are medium sized, and 17% are large. So more than 100 or 1000 million. So also we can see here major companies use Python. We have Google, Netflix, Facebook, or we have Amazon, Quora, Slack, Intel, NASA, Dropbox, eBay. So all those companies are the most popular and famous and richer companies in the world. So Python is in high demand for jobs. Python programming is in high demand for jobs, based on the number of job postings. One of the largest job search platforms, Python ranks two in the most in diamond programming languages of 2020. So most in diamond programming languages of 2020 based on LinkedIn. So we have the first one is Java and the second one is Python. So you can see how Python is very important. So now let's talking about what are the drawbacks of Python. Speed. Python is slower than C or C++, but of course Python is high level language. Unlike C or C++, it's not closer to hardware. Runtimes error. The Python language is dynamically typed, so it have many design features. So this is a little things, you know. So thank you for watching this video. This is just introduction Python course. So see you another episode, or the next one will be, or the next video of the Python course is gonna be how to install Python and pip. So